In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the SecureAlert Wi-Fi security system, a Wi-Fi compatible network video recorder with matching cameras utilising SwanNet technology that ensures the best available Wi-Fi connection. Let's have a look at what's inside. Inside the first box, you get the following: the NVW800 network video recorder, better known as an NVR, with a pre-installed hard drive. Some kits will include a microSD card for storage instead. Located at the back of the NVR is a HDMI port, Ethernet port, 2 USB ports, a microSD card slot, and a power port. The status LEDs are located here. Green indicates power, red indicates that the NVR is booting, and blue demonstrates that a storage device is connected and will flash when accessed. A HDMI cable to connect the NVR to your TV. 4K TVs are supported. An Ethernet cable. Connect this to your router or Wi-Fi access point to provide internet access to the NVR. The NVR can also gain internet access via Wi-Fi. A USB mouse. Connect this to the USB port labelled mouse. A 12-volt power adapter to provide power to the NVR. And a welcome pack containing the hardware, Startup Wizard and Swan Security app Quick Start guides, along with theft deterrent stickers. In the other box you get the following: 2 or 4 1080p or 4K resolution bullet style Wi-Fi security cameras. The 4K camera has controllable red and blue flashing lights. 2 or 4 12-volt power adapters that will provide power to each camera. 2 or 4 power extension cables. They provide flexibility to mount the cameras in locations that may not have a power point close by. And lastly, some mounting screws and plugs for each camera are included. For connection instructions, please have a look at the blue coloured hardware installation guide. Each step will guide you on how to connect the cameras and the various components included. The second guide to follow is the red coloured Startup Wizard Quick Start guide. This will guide you on the various steps that need to be completed in the Startup Wizard. And thirdly, to view the cameras on your mobile device, follow the instructions in the green coloured guide to download the Swan Security app. There are instructions for Android and iOS. Thanks for watching.